Okay, can we start for the first practice? Okay, are you ready? Class, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, ready.
first thing, how to start with HTML? Okay, let's say you want to.
Notepad. Open
Okay,
Notepad.
notepad Okay, we want to type this code. This one. This one. Okay, kita nak type this one. Okay, HTML head, title, head body semua ni We want to type this one.
Yes.
So
Oish.
okay, what you do is you go to accessories where we can find the notepad, all programs. Okay, and then you can go to accessories and go to notepad. Okay.
Once more again.
Okay.
Oh, notepad. Okay. Notepad.
Oh.
You go to accessories. You go to the start button ni. All programs. Sebab saya punya ni mine is not Windows 10 All programs. Okay. Mine is under accessories and find the notepad. Tadi pun you type search notepad. Search notepad.
Okay, then.
Okay. Dapat tak?
Nampak.
Notepad.
Okay, open Notepad.
Okay, so what you do is you type the code, start with the HTML. Okay, type now. HTML. Okay, please type now. Can you follow me?
Yes.
Follow the instruction. Okay, I want you to
We
type
have
this code. Your first HTML Let's start.
Yeah.
Sekejap ada,
Make
sekejap ada. Kat mana
tak
ada?
tertinggal pun apa-apa.
Kat Notepad
Mesti
mana?
kod ni.
Allah. Okay, dah buka notepad lepas tu.
Type. 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 Yes.
HTML.
This one. Click your first HTML ni. This one.
Which one?
Ni, nampak tak kat screen?
Download dia ni PDF.
Yeah. You can see.
PDF.
Screen, right?
SVG ke madam?
Download dia ni.
CVG.
Okay.
Type
Copy.
no need copy. Type.
Type. Title. Type guys.
Don't copy. Not you not learning it. Okay, H1.
Okay.
Okay, what is H1? You can see H1. Nanti tengok apa jadi kalau kita type H1. My first heading slash H1. Okay, then my first paragraph.
Type semua ke madam?
Yeah. Exactly. Make sure that all. Okay, jangan tertinggal pun. Jangan tinggal slash, jangan tertinggal apa pun.
Satu huruf besar lah madam.
Okay, huruf besar berarti tak kisah.
Oh tak kisah.
Sekejap.
Between my first heading tu perlu ada space ke antara my dengan first?
Itu tak kisah.
Kisah juga?
My first heading.
Tak kisah. Saya letak sebab nak bagi nampak.
First paragraph.
Okay, saya saja letak sebab saya nak tunjuk kat you all. Okay, so let's say saya type ni. Okay, saya saja rakkan. Okay, I just want to show you the different HTML head. This is a head part and this is a body part.
Yes.
Kan? Okay, this is a body part. The body part, which is in the body part, we have the content here. Make sure don't miss the symbol. Jangan tertinggal symbol or whatever word apa semua jangan tinggal. You have to type exactly what is in the slides. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, and don't forget. Okay, last one is nampak saya tertinggal apa ni? What is the mistake here?
Mistake.
From my notepad. I forgot. Yeah, I forgot about the slash. So this is very important.
Yeah.
Yes, you must put the slash. Okay, slash. Okay, and then the symbol.
Maybe what happen
Bracket.
if you forgot?
Okay, so now save as. Okay, how to save? Save as. Okay, let's say in the desktop.
HTML.
Okay,
HTML.
Mana nak save ada?
save
HTML.
file name. You type. Okay, let's say your file name is first page. Okay, nama dia lah first page. First
Madam
page.
yang titik tu kena ada ke madam? Yang titik tu dekat my first paragraph.
My first paragraph.
Ada titik tu kan kena letak ke?
Mana ada titik ke? Boleh je, tak letak apa-apa, itu teks je. Tak letak apa-apa.
That's oh.
Okay. Okay, now
tukar
please
boleh,
save now. Please save. Okay.
First page.
Are you here now?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have to save. You go to save. File name my first ataupun first page dot. Okay, ini penting Must dot html or html.
Oh.
Page.
Firstpage.html.
Ni lah. Mesti ada. Okay. Alright. Mesti ada.
Okay, madam.
Save kat mana ni?
Dekat mana madam?
Okay.
S kan?
Ya.
Boleh apa-apa.
Save as.
Okay, now
Document.
.html. Okay, document or desktop mana-mana. Okay, save. I save in document. In desktop. Okay, now. Okay, where is my file? My first page. Okay, nampak tak? This one. My first page ni.
Yes.
Ini Okay, how to open your file that you already saved? Right click. You have to open the page that you already saved. Open with the browser. Google Chrome nampak? Open with the Google Chrome. So this is your file. Your page. Your first page. Okay. Okay, this is your, nampak tak? This is your browser with the name of first page. Jadi ke tak? Okay,
jadi.
you open it in the browser. Using browser. Open with the browser. Any browser. Browser Chrome ataupun apalah Opera ke So this is the example. Okay, next is let's say you want to create another one page. Same. Okay, let's say for practice 1. Okay, yang ni kita copy paste je lah. Boleh tak? Okay, create another one new. Go to file, new, another new notepad. Are you here now?
Yeah.
Okay, file new. Okay, make sure file new and then you copy. Alright, copy. Okay, and paste. So this is your code. Okay, I want to show you this is a code which is the first page. Kita panggil sebagai when we create a web page, the first page is we call as a index page. Okay, so have you copy and paste in your new notepad?
Yes.
Okay, file, save as.
This one.
This one.
And then you go to you type index index dot html. Okay, done. Okay, make sure .html and save. Okay, and find your index page in the desktop. So this is my index page. This is my index page. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. How to open it? Okay. Go to open. Okay. Right click on the file. Open with the Google Chrome. Okay. So this is the page. Okay?
Google Chrome.
Hmm. Ah, don't worry, I record the video so you can watch the video again.
It goes.
Yeah, goes and maybe it goes. Okay. Alright. So this is your
Okay.
page. Do you understand how to use it?
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Macam mana nak
Okay.
buat?
So next time, you also can use the practice 2, 3. Okay, after this you can go to practice 2. Okay, practice 2, which is you have to insert image. You must have the image. For example, the name of the image is family.jpg. Okay, and another one. Here they have 2 image. Okay, and this image is put in the folder name image. Okay, next session 2, I will show you how to create a web page, personal web page.
Okay.
Alright. So because we don't have much time, for today only how to start with the HTML.
Madam, should the susun macam ni ke madam?
Apa dia?
Susun macam bentuk M ni ke?
Yang mana?
Yang baru ni, yang index ni, memang kena susun macam bentuk zigzag ke?
Oh tak. Okay, sebenarnya saya buat macam ni sebab saya nak nampak. Dia nampak lah, nampak tak? Saya nak nampakkan benda-benda ni macam dia kan jadi satu grup. Kalau bercampur dia macam mana? Biasa kalau kita nak buat programming memang kena ada seni lah orang cakap.
So the pattern lah.
Dia nampak. Kita nampak jadi kalau kita nak check kesalahan kan. Okay, lagi satu kan. Cuba you buka index page tadi tu. Okay, can you open your index page?
Tak ada bateri.
Notepad. Okay.
Oh wow.
Sudah.
Itu
ni lah, tak ada baterinya.
Tengah man.
So,
Boleh?
Boleh.
Okay.
Boleh madam.
Okay, so kalau background ni, let's say kalau letak background, you tambah je background, dia kod dia ialah ni kod dia. Mana kod dia ni?
Background.
Kalau nak letak background color, okay ni. Body, tengok kat sini screen.
Alright.
Body, ni asal kan? This is the original, right?
Yes.
The original, right? Tapi kalau tambah, you have to put insert bd color equals to, let's say red. This is a code. Okay? Or blue.
okay.
Tadi saya tak tunjuk dekat group 1. Aku tak sempat. Okay, so
Tu copy tu.
letak dekat sini lah, dekat body yang tadi tu kan.
Macam tu lah.
Okay, saya save. Okay, so we can see dia apa? Index
Gambar sendiri.
Nampak tak? Blue color.
Tu tak ada madam.
Insert the background color. Group tadi tak sempat saya tunjuk. Okay, so nanti saya buat record video nanti kita tengoklah. Okay, so do you understand? Do you understand how to use the HTML, right? At least you know how to start with HTML. Then after that you can use the other practice. Okay? Practice 2 to try lah. Okay, next session 2 I will inform in the group. Okay?
Madam nak tanya.
Yes.
Semua jenis color ke madam?
Okay, the color code here. Can you see in the slide? You can see, you can get the color code here. Here the color code ni maksudnya dia blue ni dia ada color code banyak kan. So you masukkan color code.
Okay.
Tapi boleh ajar lagi ya.
You try. Contoh color code ni. Buka ya. Which is a
Oh,
color
like
code.
that.
Oh.
Okay,
Okay,
the color
madam.
code. You just copy the code color. For example, copy and then
Okay.
Okay, Dam.
okay, color code and
Okay,
paste
okay.
in the background. Okay, so
Okay.
I think we have to stop now.
Madam.
Okay, so see you section 2. Huh? Do you understand? Are you okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Alright, do you understand about
Try,
the
we try.
talking? Okay.
I will try madam.
Alright. Huh?
Understand, madam.
Okay.
Understand,
I
understand.
will try.
Next session Thank you for joining
Manul
today.
Hakim, Luqmanul Hakim.
Okay,
I will
thank
try,
you.
madam.
Huh?
Bye-bye.
Sure.
Bye.
I will try my best.
Stay safe.
Sorry for the
Bye.
inconvenience.
Assalamualaikum.
At home.
Salam.
Sorry for the
inconvenience, madam.
Bye.
No problem.
Tengok nak,
Okay,
tengok
thank
nak.
you. Bye. Assalamualaikum. Yang
Betul.
mana? Sekejap. I nak buka video jap.
Hati.
Tengok the kopi.
Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum. Take care.
Stay safe, madam.
Huh? Take care. Okay, bye. Bye.
Viva.
Bye, madam.